I don't think the similes are comparable in terms of what is being alleged. She's the legislative party of AIADMK has legitimately decided in favor of somebody, be it Sasikala or whoever it may be. They have elected a new leader, and if they have elected a new leader, they are well within their constitutional rights or political rights. Look, you can have a prime minister who's unelected or unelectable. So why can't you have a chief minister who's unelected?
No, let me get what you're saying straight. Because are you saying the BJP welcomes Sasikala as the next chief minister of Tamil Nadu? Because your party state president Tamilisai Soundararajan had something different to say this afternoon. So I want to be clear about what you're saying.
As I said, I am not commenting on the internal affairs of a party. I am merely saying that what has been done is perfectly legal and constitutional. And to talk about an unelected person being a chief minister, I don't think is a right political discourse, because that is what the constitutional provisions
Let me get S.V. Ramani to respond to that, because it's interesting. It's not just the BJP, even other political parties. I think Mr. Tirunavakar, who's the state president of the Congress, also expressing doubts. Stalin today expressing doubts, saying, people of Tamil Nadu voted for Jayalalitha. Now suddenly they have this person thrust as the next chief minister. People will not welcome it. What is the Congress party's stand on this, Mr. Ramani?
It is an internal matter of the AIADMK. Their leadership, whom they choose as their chief minister, whom do they repose their faith in, or who's to lead them for their party affairs, is their matter. And I don't think any political party has a right to decide on their behalf. So, having said that, as I said, look, the analogy which we are using as indicators of acceptance or non-acceptance are not the right analogies. Point is, show me a leader in this entire world who does not have opponents. So there will be now, and I appreciate the gentleman's view that it is ultimately the people's mandate which determines whether there is an acceptance of a leader or not.
Okay.
Now the elections to the local bodies would be there, and in those elections the mood of the people or the acceptance or rejection by people will get reflected, and that is what will actually establish whether there is an acceptability of leader or not. Before that, mere protest by people, and you do not know who those people are. They may be people who from other political party or anywhere. I mean,
no, I'm talking about regular people, just normal people, regular people.
No.
What I'm going to do is no. One second, Sudhanshu ji. What we'll do is let's throw open our phone line. You wanted to make a point on that?
Yeah. See, I just want to, it is being said that the people elected Jayalalitha, and now they did not elect her. Surely they elected Jayalalitha, but the fact of the matter is she is no more.
True.
Now, if you have an unfortunate death of a leader, then somebody is bound to succeed. In democracy, life has to go on. You will not have Vidhan Sabha elections because the chief minister is no more. There is a methodology of succession. Now the methodology is then that the legislative party chooses a new leader. Now if the legislative party has legitimately chosen a new leader, this comparison that they elected Jayalalitha and not her, I don't think it's valid.
Okay.
Yes, they elected Jayalalitha because she was a face, but she's no more.
Mr. Ramani?
And that's the reality of life.
Yeah, I would like to...
Quickly, sir. 10 seconds. I've got to complete...
Yeah. See, Zaka, it is unfortunate that it is 20 years and these cases have not been decided. I think there should be a reflective judiciary looking at this, because if in public life people have been charged with serious offences, you cannot have a system where 20 years down the line you still don't have a result on this.
Okay, I take your point, but that's a completely different debate altogether.
Have a definitiveness.
That's a completely different debate altogether. We'll leave it at that. Thank you very much for joining us on our Talking Point panel. Like I said, ultimately it's the decision of the AIADMK. All their elected MLAs have unanimously said that VK Sasikala should be the next chief minister. We will see how the people